Hey guys, thanks for taking a look. I am sending out this video to do a short review on the Partner with Anthony email marketing business. I joined Partner with Anthony just a short time ago. I have been through several different affiliate programs, and the thing that I always thought was lacking was really serious training that would take you step by step to really help you be successful. Maybe you're like me. Maybe you're tired of bumping your head on the income that you're making. You're tired of working for other people. Maybe you just need residual income, or like me, really looking to completely replace my income so I can work for myself, be home, spend time with my family, help out family members, things like that. Those are my long-term goals. I joined Partner with Anthony, and I've been very, very pleased with the results just because the training is absolutely fabulous. It's step by step. Many things that, at 60 years old, many of you are like me. I really didn't know anything about email marketing, and he helps you build a business from the ground up, step by step, training modules that will take you slowly through every single bit of this process. And I just found that the training was absolutely unbelievable. If it's something you're interested in, especially during this age of COVID, a lot of people are looking for an online opportunity. You want to build something solid, check out Partner with Anthony. Click my link below, and be happy to partner with you. And Anthony is pretty just amazing in the training, and will really help you set your goals and accomplish whatever you need to do with your online business. Click the link below. Take care and good luck.